Hey guys, welcome to Daily Dose of Pets. In today's video we are gonna be watching the funniest dog videos we could find. So sit back and enjoy the episode. Let's go! This is how huskies handle the traffic problems. How everybody should call their dogs. This puppy is only 12 weeks old.
Sit. Good girl.
Pretend you're on a phone call, but use your dog's favorite words.
Hey, Grandma. Moo's playing with his toys. I'm gonna give him a treat, and we're gonna go for a walk, and then we're gonna go see Grandma, and go for a car ride.
He really needs some jumping training.
Don't listen.
This cutie really doesn't understand.
No. No. No.
Get a guard dog, they said.
Big happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy. Oh, just a look at that, a happy. Oh, the happy dog. Oh, just a happy.
This filter make them look so funny. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure you subscribed and liked this video, and see you in the next one. Bye.